How to block junk mail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. Once you're in the Mail app, tap on the Inbox option. Open any email from the sender you wish to block. Press and hold the mail and swipe left and tap on More. In the action menu that appears, scroll down and select the Block Sender option. This will block all future emails from this specific address, and you can see a red circular blocked icon to ensure that. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Mail. Again, scroll down to find the Block Sender option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, turn on the Mark Blocked Sender and ensure that Move to Trash is selected. This will automatically send future emails from any blocked senders directly to your trash folder. Following these steps, you can block junk mail on an iPhone.